Hi, this is Laura GB, and in this Power BI video, we're going to look at adding a country slicer with the country's flag rather than just words. So here we are in our report. We've got sales by country, and we can see we've got a map in the bottom right-hand corner with United Kingdom, Germany, France, and Italy. There are 4 countries. I don't want to use the map as a slicer anymore. I want to get rid of that. It takes up too much space. I want some buttons. So we can add a slicer and we can put in the country name. And there we are. We get our 4 countries and that works great. That works fine. But I want this to be pretty. I want to have the flags up there. So let's go and have a look at the data. I've got my country table here and it's got a column that has got a flag URL in it. And if I just quickly switch to a browser, we can see that one there, the one that's being used for the United Kingdom. It gives me a flag, a GIF based off that URL. So back into here, we just need to do a couple of things. One, I'm going to highlight that flag column, and under data category, I'm going to change that categorized into a image URL. And once that's done, I'm then going to go back into my report view. And on my slicer, I'm going to take out country and I'm going to put in flag. And there we are. We get our flags, but they're a bit weird because it's still a list. Now we're going to change that into tiles. And this has moved. It used to be on the little down arrow there. It's now moved to be on the format. And if I go to slicer settings, style, vertical list, I can go for a tile. And there we are. There they are. Let me just quickly resize it so we can see all 4 of our flags. There we go. I'm going to go on to a little bit more formatting in there. I'm going to go into there and we're going to go to the visual. We're going to go to turn off the slicer header and the values. I am going to turn off that border. Don't need it. So untick all those borders. So there we are. We now have a slicer of flags and I can click on a flag and there we are. We're limited down to just Germany and Italy. So that was creating a picture slicer for a Power BI report. If you haven't already, please press subscribe. Take care now.